All right, today's video, we're going to continue with discounts, but this time we're going to apply the discount to the original value. So a little refresher, discounts are subtracted from your original. We have the proportion method to find the percent of a number and the equation method. Today I'm just working with the equation method. Remembering that one, you take the percent, which needs to be in decimal form. Remember, move your decimal 2 places to the left, and then multiply by the original value. That will give you the amount of discount. Getting into our problems. Number 1, Juliet works at a pizza place in San Antonio. She receives a 15% discount on any pizza that she buys. If a large pizza costs $14, how much will Juliet pay for the pizza after the discount? So we want to actually apply the discount to see how much she will end up paying. Well, what is the amount of Juliet's discount? Well, to figure out just the amount of discount, it's the percent in decimal form, so 15%. If we move our decimal 2 places to the left, that gives us 0.15 times the $14 for the regular price of the pizza, and that would give you a $2.10 discount. Will that be added or subtracted with the original value? Well, if you get a discount, you pay less, so you're going to subtract that. So I'm going to go ahead and take my original cost of the pizza, which because the discount has a decimal value, I need to make sure I add a decimal and 2 zeros for my $14, minus the $2.10 for the discount, and then that will tell me she is only going to have to pay $11.90 for the pizza with her discount applied. All right, moving on to number 2. Frank has a rebate for 20% back on a $1,585 refrigerator. So 20% back, and the refrigerator costs $1,585. How much will he pay for the refrigerator after the rebate? So we're going to apply the rebate on this one as well. How much is the rebate worth? So if we take the 20%, our decimal is at the end when you don't see one, move the decimal 2 places to the left, that gives us 0.20. Multiply that with the original cost, which was $1,585, and you would end up with $317. That was the rebate value. Now, rebates are money you get back, so that means your price you pay will be less, so we're going to subtract. How much will Frank pay for the refrigerator after the rebate? Well, if we take the $1,585 and subtract the money he's going to get back, he will end up only paying $1,268 for the refrigerator after the rebate is applied. All right, so quick review. How do we find the total after a discount is applied? First thing we need to do is multiply the percent in decimal form with the original. Then, because it's a discount, we're going to subtract that value from the original. And once you do that, you end up with your new total amount. Hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions.